Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah. And today I would like to share something that I feel is very important. And a while ago, sometimes back, there was a story I read. And I think, if I can remember very well, it went like this: that during the French Revolution, two activists were caught, and they got arrested. They were taken to the cell, and one of them, after they were taken into the cell, one of them went straight into the window and he started looking at the stars in the sky and he started smiling. The other one fell down on his knees. He looked around the dirty place and where he ended up, and he started crying and feeling pain and anguish. Now, I felt this story was so powerful because these are two people in the same place, the same circumstance, same environment. One is smiling and the other one is crying. And I realized that life is the same. We are all in the same gutter. We are all experiencing problems, hardships. Every single human being has their own share of problems and hardships in life. But the way we react to it is totally different. And that's what makes it different. Because we might be having the same issues, the same problems, but the way you react and the way you face those challenges is completely different from the way I face it. And that means life is all about attitude. It's all about how we react to the problems. There's no day we will live this life free of stress, free of problems. It will never happen. And that means if we can't control that, what we can control is how we react to it, how we face these challenges. They say life is 10%. It's 90% what happens and 10% how we react to it. Life is 90% what happens to us and 10% how we react to it. And so this is very important and very crucial. You see, today so many people are complaining, so many people are having issues, and you think you are the only one who is being tested. You are the only one who is having problems and hardships and issues. But if you look around and listen to the stories of other people, you'll be shocked. You'll realize that what you have is not even a big deal compared to what other people are facing. And so it's always important that you remain grateful. You see, you wake up in the morning, you are healthy, you are strong, you have family, you have friends, you have taste, you can eat. There are so many people who have wealth, but they don't even have the taste and the appetite. You see, and the greatest ni'mah that you have is health. You can wake up, you feel alive, you're strong. That's the greatest ni'mah. And so when we begin to complain about small issues, small problems and hardships here and there, which is inevitable, no one can escape it. When you focus on these problems, then your life becomes difficult. You see, there are two types of people: those who focus on the problems and those who focus on the opportunities. Those who focus on the problems never see something else except those issues and hardships and those problems. That's what they see when they wake up every morning. That's what they see every single time they're faced with, every single day they wake up. They're always seeing things that are falling apart. They don't have a job, there's this, they're not feeling good, they're not always in the mood, they're focused on the wrong. And there's those people who are focused on the opportunities. When a problem comes, it comes with its own advantage. Yeah? Every test is a blessing, as we are told in Islam. And so they're focused on the good thing that it can come with. And they're patient and they're optimistic, they're hopeful that it's going to pass and it's not going to last. You see, Imam Shafi'i used to say that if you have Islam and good health, then don't be worried, don't be saddened by the things you lose, because those are the greatest things. You're healthy, you're a Muslim, you can wake up every day, you can work, and you pray to Allah, you have your iman, you have everything you need in life. The rest are small issues. Treat them like they don't matter as much, okay? Because when you focus on a small problem, you magnify it and it becomes big. It reaches a point where now you feel like this is going to destroy your whole life. So always be positive, always be hopeful, and being positive and being a positive human being it's an act of worship. Positivity is an act of worship. And it came to the hadith that the Prophet Allah says in Hadith al-Qudsi that Ana inda dhanna abdi bi, I am what my servant thinks of me. If you think of Allah as this merciful, protective, loving, compassionate God who is always there to protect you, who is always there to give you, to provide for you, okay, you'll always be happy. You'll feel energetic every single day. You feel that you're under the protection of Allah and you're always, positive. But if you think that Allah is not going to forgive you, He's not forgiving, He's not merciful, you don't know His names, you don't know His greatness and attributes, and you always feel like you're being brought to this world to be tested, you always, you know, that means that you'll never taste the happiness and the peace of this life. And so I conclude by saying everybody is experiencing problems in life. Your attitude is what matters. Focus on your attitude, because that's what you can control. You don't control the problems. You don't control whatever is happening in the world today. You can't control the way people act around you. You can't control what's happening, okay? But you can control the way you react to it. And so always be positive, be hopeful. Whenever you are faced by a problem, focus on the brighter side. Focus on the lesson and what you can learn and what it can teach you, and eventually, inshallah, you'll have strength and courage to face this life and to overcome its obstacles, and to be a better person, and you know, to have and to always be on the other side of every challenge that comes. So that's what I felt today to share with you, and I hope you will benefit something from it. Wa hada, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.